Here we go. This is the left side of Dawson Duel, and I'm the green one. I'm not dueling with Sarah. She's gonna be behind me because she's gonna film the right side and the blue one in just a little bit. And in these ones, I can tell you that you do not control it. And we do have some friends riding next to us. They're faster. Wow. It's a vegan bobban or bob track. Not that fast yet. Theirs are so much faster. I don't know how to do that because there's no speed here. I can't control anything. I really hope it's gonna speed up because this is slow compared to theirs. Speeding up a little bit, I feel, but not close to theirs anyway. Maybe the blue one is faster. No idea. We're approaching the finish already though, so it felt long walking up there. Here's the finish. There we go. That was Dawson Duel, the left side. You won. You were so much faster. Good job though. That was fun. Dawson